Everyone knows about the benefits of bananas, but only a few know about the health benefits of banana flowers. Banana flowers are also called the banana blossom or banana heart. It is purple in color, is tear-shaped, and usually grows at the end of the banana trees or cluster. In many South Asia and Southeast Asian countries, banana flowers are usually used as a vegetable. These can be made as tasty curries, as fried food, and it is quite similar to artichoke. Below are the health benefits of banana flowers. Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to my channel. Today, I will discuss how to have a healthy body with a banana flower. Health benefits of banana flowers. Number 1, fights off infection. Banana flowers help treat infection because it possesses ethanol flowers. This helps in preventing pathogenic bacterial growth. It can help cure the wound as well. Also, the extracts of banana flowers help in preventing the growth of malaria parasites. Number 2, fight free radicals. Free radicals attack your healthy cells, therefore causing damage. This leads to problems like cancer, heart disease, and skin aging. Banana flowers are rich in antioxidants, which fight free radicals and prevent them from damaging the body cells. Number 3, gastrointestinal health. Banana flowers are loaded in soluble and insoluble fiber. A soluble fiber allows the food to pass easily through the digestive tract and it dissolves in water and forms a gel. Insoluble fiber assists the bulk to undigested products because it does not dissolve in water. Both of these boost a healthy digestion and absorption of food. Number 4, healthy uterus. Banana flowers help prevent uterus problems. To boost a healthy uterus, the banana flowers should be added with cumin seeds, turmeric powder, and peppercorns. The banana flower should be boiled with peppercorns, cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt until it is half. You can maintain a healthy uterus by drinking this mixture. Number 5, helps in weight loss. Including banana flowers in your diet can help in weight loss because it is rich in fiber and nutrients. Soup made from banana flowers helps in weight loss. You can add banana flour with ginger, garlic, and coriander leaves to the soup. Consume it at least 4 to 5 times a week. Number 6, helps in managing diabetes. Banana flowers are good for diabetics. This is due to the high fiber content of banana flowers. You can eat boiled banana flowers to help lower blood sugar levels. Number 7, manages anemia. Banana leaves help in increasing the level of hemoglobin in your blood. A good level of hemoglobin helps in carrying nutrients to all the parts of the body efficiently. Also, it helps in managing anemia naturally. Number 8, prevents cancer and heart disease. Banana flowers are a rich source of acids, tannins, flavonoids, and other antioxidants, which helps in fighting off free radicals and eliminates the oxidative damage, which can lead to cancer and heart disease. Number 9, reduces anxiety. Banana flowers contain magnesium, which helps reduce anxiety and boosts your mood. They are known to be a natural antidepressants without any side effects. Number 10, rich in vitamins and minerals. Banana flowers contain various vitamins such as vitamin A, C, and E. Also, they contain fiber and potassium, which makes them an excellent source of healthy nutrients. If you like watching this video, please share it to your friends.